the cake 是吗
Yes，你会它的 layer 一片一片的哦。Gentle tap, gentle tap.
video 啦
Yeah, it's a gentle tap.
gentle tap
，Erin, she's gonna help me to complete the cake.
if you don't mind lah, if you don't mind lah.
With not so much the whipped cream.
yeah, if you don't mind lah.
No, I don't mind.
Okay.
I can post you on social media.
Sure.
Permission granted.
Yeah.
You
can tag me.
Next tag you.
Yeah, you can tag me also. 可以 All is good.
I already say this one is my bucket list, right? To at least attempt to have baked a cake in my lifetime.
But at least it's something lah. At least now you all know why cakes are so expensive now, right?
Yeah. So I have been here since 9:30. So it's been 3 hours, coming to 3 hours, just to make this strawberry shortcake.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished! Yay! I'll show you the output. 看到我 cake 前面。Sorry.
Then 你这个 hold still. Then make sure the this is in front of you. Okay, 这样子。Okay, then relax 你的 wrist. Okay, then hold still 那个 turntable.
Yes, I already did the
Okay.
Oh, okay, but this is too thin already.
Oh,
So we
aeroplane.
can need more, is it?
Yes, okay, then clean the. 来，give me a while 啊，来。
你可以去拿。
来，我交给你啊。
可以 thank you. Yeah, so this is called aeroplane flip. Something like that. Yeah, so I'm going to make the cake smoother. Okay, I am very satisfied with my. A bit not very pretty.
我来 repair 了。我来了。
Cannot hold too many tools at one time.
要不然你自己
One tool at a time. Just like life, do one thing at a time. Last step of the conclusion of the cake is to glaze the strawberry.
As in, what's the next step? Very good.
Yeah. Put the strawberry. The photo, I don't remember there's a photo image to it, but
不要干焦啊，呼吸啊，大家。来做 breathing exercise。Oops.